Today's lecture is about how to make a complete scared form. This is a formula of complete scared form, and this is the coordinates of the stationary point, stationary point, which shows the maximum or minimum point of the parabola. This stationary point came from the complete scatter form. And this part, x-coordinate part, came from this. And y-coordinate part came from this part. Anyway, but I'm quite often confused in substituting appropriate numbers into this formula. For example, in case of y equals 2x squared minus 7x plus 6, 2 is A, minus 7 is B, plus 6 is C. So I substituted these numbers into A, B, C. I took this process to get this result, which is a minimum point. And after that, I factorized this one, and then I got these factors. Therefore, I have got x roots, 2x root, 3 on 2 or 2. But this process is quite very difficult for me. So in my today's lecture, I will show you my method of finding the stationary point without using this formula. My method is, in case of y equals 2x squared minus 7x plus 6. I will use just two parts and take 2 out of bracket x squared minus 7 on 2. 7 on 2 x close bracket plus 6 and place square bracket here. I will make it the complete scared form. This part must be divided by 2, always 2, and x minus 7 on 4, close bracket squared, minus 7 on 4 squared, and square bracket, and 2 plus 6. I expand 2 x minus 7 on 4 close bracket squared minus 2 times 49 on 16 plus 6 and 2 x minus 7 on 4 close bracket minus 49 on 8 plus 6. 6 is same as the 48 on 8. This is y, and therefore 2x minus 7 on 4 close bracket minus 1 on 8. I've got the coordinates of the stationary point. X coordinate 7 on 4, y coordinate minus 1 on 8. This is the stationary point. Stationary point And I have to find the y-intercept by letting 0 be x. This one is 0, 0, therefore y equals 6. Y-intercept is 6. And then x root, yeah, those are x roots. X equals 3 on 2 or 2. We draw the parabola and y-axis and x-axis, and the stationary point is here because the x-coordinate 7 on 4, y-coordinate minus 1 on 8, and two roots, x roots, 3 on 2, 3 on 2, and 2, and y-intercept 6. Therefore, we draw the parabola passing through 6 and 3 on 2 and stationary point and 2, like this. This is the parabola graph. And one more, y equal x squared minus 2x plus 7. And I will consider only two parts. And it must be divided by 2. X minus 1 close bracket squared minus 1 squared plus 7. Therefore, x minus 1 squared plus 6. Its coordinates of the stationary point 1 and 6. Y-intercept plus 7. Y-intercept plus 7. And x root. X root, the y equals the, we must let 0 be y in order to find x root. 0 equals x minus 1 squared plus 6. The x minus 1 squared equal minus 6. X minus 1 equal plus minus root minus 6. This is the imaginary root. So y-axis and x-axis. X-axis and stationary point 1 and 6. And y-intercept 7. 7. Therefore, this parabola does not cut the x-axis, so there is no x root.